Here we are another day into this project here, and I just want to show you the progress that we're making here now. So Andy, what do you got going on here?
Taking the front suspension out the other frame.
Yeah.
New frame. And tomorrow I'm going to bring the new frame in. Start switching everything over.
Okay. So you got the motor out, transmission out?
Yep.
All kinds of stuff.
It's sitting over there.
Oh, it's sitting over there?
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, eight.
Oh yeah. Got that all out?
Yep. All the bolts in the back, basically where you're coming off.
So this is where it was bent at? I see this looks bent right here.
Oh, it's getting a new control arm.
Okay. And then where's the damage at on this?
Right here, where I cut it at.
Oh, right where you cut it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I had no choice but cut it to get stuff out.
That is pretty nasty.
And I had bent bolts.
Now some people would try and straighten that out.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
That's not good, is it?
No. Hey, Louis, where you put the bolt? Where the right steering rack? Oh, yeah.
What's that?
The broke steering rack and bent this big bolt.
Oh yeah. Did you get a new bolt coming?
2 new bolts.
2 new bolts? Yeah, that's the way to do it.
And a new steering rack. You can see where it's broke.
Where at?
You see that crack right there.
Oh yeah, so you got a new one coming?
You got another one coming.
Okay, good.
I'm just taking every part ahead of time.
Well, you find, once you start tearing these all apart, that's when you find all the damages,
Yeah.
isn't it?
I got about 4 extra things and stuff in there right now.
That ain't bad. Only 4.
Yeah.
But usually you get a lot more than that.
Just getting ready to...
Well, keep plugging away at it. You're gonna start tearing apart some more stuff here. What are you taking off now?
I'm getting the front differential ready to come out.
Oh. Hey, that air hose don't look good.
Right here?
You better buy a new
It's the end. It's that end.
No, but this end right there, we don't like. That's not good.
I keep on tightening it.
Okay, well you better get that replaced.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting ready to take the differential out.
All right, well I don't want to stop you from your progress.
Yeah,
So.
I take 3 or 4 people for the brake lines. So I'm going to keep the brake lines all in one, try and take out.
Oh, brake lines all as one whole unit?
So we don't have to drain the fluid.
Oh, there you go.
The only place that disconnect brakes is the rear axle.
Okay. Well, keep plugging away at her, Andy, and I'll get out of your way, and we'll watch you for a second.
Yep, I should get a floor in there. Yep. As soon as I get a frame out of it.
Yeah. You're gonna have to put a block on there, ain't you?
Yeah. I get it just blow it up right there. I did enough of these, I know I'm doing. When I put it in, we have 2 people, the other person help me. For now, just get it out and on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
Like that. Rip the front suspension off. Brakes both are out from the least brake. All I gotta do is take them out. Rear end next come out.
You gotta do the rear end next?
No, I already did. I already loosened up bolts off. Just have to take the bolts out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the nuts off at a time.
Oh, so everything's already loosened up.
Yeah. Brake lines are already disconnected. ABS wires are already disconnected.
All right.
Brakes are already disconnected.
Well, good. All right, well, we'll catch up with you a little later.
You slave our off.